Healing around Tractor Supply with Rhett and Mason. Oh my gosh, they're doing so well. We're going to be doing this all around the store and practicing our down stay. Stay. Down. I'm going to click on Mason. Down. Could you be any slower? Okay, but you can see how it works. I asked him to down. Since we're in a new place, he said, oh, I don't think I need to listen. We're in a new place. I come in with my click. One click, he lays down. Stay. Now the second part of the down is the stay until released. Good boy, Rhett. Rhett listened right away, so I did not have to click for him. The reason that we come to these stores, obviously, is for the distractions. We've got people, rolling carts. We want to make sure the dogs can listen truly anywhere. Aren't they cute? Yeah. Just training not to be barky, pulling. 5 and 6. Yeah.
5 or 6 years old?
Yeah. I know. They used to be like really barking, pulling, jumping, not ever able to stay. Thank you. Probably the first time Rhett and Mason have ever gotten a compliment out in public. All right, let's see if we can go back into a heel. Heel. Come on, guys, heel. Good. All right, we are in a different area of the store. Just practicing that down stay. I really want that down to be solid. Good job, boys. So the complaint was Mason used to bark and be picked up, and Rhett used to pull towards people he saw. Neither dog would listen. Sorry, Rhett, your leash is over your head. Good boy. Good job, boys. Good job, boys. Break. Good job.